I wanted to show you the process if you're doing a print then cut image. My daughter wanted to put this image of Donald Duck surfing on a t-shirt. So we printed it out on the Cricut, and as you can see there's a dark black line around the edge, and that's the registration mark. So now when I load that into my Cricut and I press the button, you're going to see a little light come on when I press go. See that little light? It's reading the registration marks. So that's telling the Cricut exactly where that image is centered. So now when it goes to cut it, it can precisely line up the cut with the image. And it takes a while because it's got to look at it from all sides. Not really sure why it's going a second time, but we'll let it do it. And then we unload, and we peel this off, and boom, it cut Donald out perfectly.